Hello everyone, I am Vijay Mohan Shrimal, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Jagannath University. So today we are discussing about the topic, the concept of Management Information System, the unit number first, and the subject is code is MBA 202 and the subject name is Management Information System. So today we are discussing the brief description about the concept of Management Information System. The following topics which are covered in this unit are the introduction, structure of MIS, purpose, objectives, benefits, limitations, requirements and the characteristics of the MIS. So first one is the introduction of MIS, that is the definition of MIS. What is about the MIS and what is the stands of MIS? So MIS stands for the Management Information System, and it is a centralized database that stores and processes information about a company, namely information about its finances, operations, workforce and the work processes within the company. So the main role of the MIS is to collect the data from various departments of the company, generate reports based on its and provide information support to the business. When properly implemented, a management information system can double the efficiency of management processes across an organization. So in a simple way, MIS is a management information system, is a system which is used to manage the information of a company, of an organization, of a business. This is the structure of MIS. Basically, the MIS structure consists the following components: hardware, software, database, procedure, operating personnel, input and output, medium and messages. These all components gathered at a particular position and it is designed as a structure of the MIS. Purpose of the MIS. I already described about the MIS definition. In the definition, it is already discussed that the purpose is to maintain the business informations, company informations and the organization informations in a manner that provides the reports which are required to decide the decisions in the company or organization. So in the business, MIS stands for the Management Information System or the Management Information Services. This further includes a computer-based system for the proper organizational evaluation and management of the department within a particular organization. So it is useful in business for the calculations of the past, present and the future predictions about the information. The role of the MIS is to focus on the information and technology systems of the organization. It is useful for the analyzing the critical business problem and the designing and maintaining the applications of computer so that the organizational problems can be resolved through the MIS. Objectives of the MIS. There are so many objectives which we can gathered in the MIS when we are implementing the MIS. So the first one is the capturing data. Through the MIS we can conclude we are gathering the information through the so many various ways which are capturing conceptual data or operational informations. Processing data. After gathering the information, it is processed for making a calculation with the data, sorting data, classifying data and the summarizing data. Next one is the information storage. These all information which are processed or gathered, these information are stored in a database which are required in the MIS. Information retrieval. Whatever type the information which are stored in the MIS is retrieved from the MIS database through the managers or the higher authorities to get the informations. Information propagation. Information or the finished product of the MIS should be calculated to its users periodically using the organizational network. Benefits of the MIS. There are so many benefits that significant of the importance of the MIS. A single database, simplified decision making process, control and management of employee performance, saving and reducing manual work, financial insights, enhancing your market positions. So these are the basic benefits which are required, which are we can gather, we are taking as an outcome from the MIS. Limitations of MIS. Because MIS is a big system which are required for the management of the any organization, but there are some limitations. Data quality issues, because the data is very important. If the wrong data or the rough data is gathered in the system, it provides the wrong outcomes for the decision making. So the data quality issue is very important. Cost and implementation complexity, because MIS is a very big system, and it is very costly, and implementation is very hard. So the another limitation of the cost and implementation of complexity. Security concerns. Security is very important, because MIS collect the data from the different places, and the data is very important. Personal data is also there, and there are different types of the decision making information which are stored in the MIS. So the security is very concerning point. Dependency on technologies, because MIS without technology it cannot be operated properly. Inflexibility, user resistance and training needs, integration challenges, lack of human intuitions, data overload, misinterpretations and misuse. So these are the very important limitations that we have discussed. Requirements of MIS. The following requirements are very important to implement the MIS. Requirements of a skilled staff. If the skilled staff is not available in the organization, we cannot it is not possible to implement the MIS properly. Finding with holding talented professionals, matching strides with the ever-changing world of business technology, development and implementation of the right strategies. These are the basic requirements of the MIS. Characteristics of the MIS: data integration, processing and analysis, timeliness, accuracy and reliability. These points are very important that creates the market importance and value of the MIS. User-friendly interface, customization, flexibility, support for decision making, security and access control, interconnection, connectedness, forward-looking and predictive features. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.